Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the 9th day of February. It's raining out here this morning. Rain falling on my head a little bit. We've seen lightning out to the south and southwest. Low-pressure storm system moving along the Gulf Coast. I'll show you future radar. Our warming trend continues today. Hey, we had 65 yesterday. I think we're in the upper 60s today. I do think we may reach beyond 70 on Wednesday and Thursday with that main storm system on Thursday. And then what about this saga of the Arctic air that you and I have been talking about for several days now? Brutally cold air covering much of the nation. Does it eventually reach Alabama? Maybe a little bit of it. Maybe a tease. I'll tell you what I'm talking about here in just a second.
Do you see that big upper high over eastern Cuba? That's our best friend in the world right now. That strong subtropical ridge is keeping the Arctic air at bay. So as long as that remains strong, we're going to continue our warming trend, and the frigid Arctic air will stay away. More on the Arctic air in a moment. First of all, we have low pressure moving along the northern Gulf Coast this morning, and that's causing showers and thunderstorms. There were some strong storms in South Alabama during the overnight hours. Here it is at noon, and by 6 p.m., the low has moved east to about Panama City. So the best chance of concentrated showers and thunderstorms is during the morning hours, but even during the afternoon, there'll be a few spotty showers around from here and there, so we'll keep the threat of showers in the forecast. In fact, let me show you a couple of radar snapshots. Here's 10 o'clock in the morning. Some of the bigger storms have left the state at 10 a.m., but still showers and thunderstorms through South Alabama, and 2 o'clock, spotty showers around the area, so we'll keep the rain chance in. Risk of showers continues today. There's been some thunderstorms in South Alabama. 68 is your high temperature today, so the warming trend continues. Very mild, 54 tonight with northeasterly winds at 5 to 10. Tomorrow we'll keep at least the mention of showers in the forecast, but I think temperatures may reach the low 70s on Wednesday. And the main event this week will be the low pressure areas that move along that front, which brings showers and thunderstorms back into the state Thursday. I can't rule out a couple of stronger storms. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center does not have us in a severe weather risk. Threat of showers continues on Friday before cooler air overtakes the area. And I think there could even be a few showers left over on Saturday as we get into stage 2 of the cooler air, and then eventually colder air by the time we get into later on Saturday. Here's Saturday noon, showing the extreme Arctic air covering much of the nation and the edge of it just getting into Alabama. It'll be cold on Sunday with temperatures only in the 40s, but the frigid air, the core of the frigid air, will stay away from us, which is good news. So Sunday will be a windy and cold day on Valentine's Day. I've got us in the 40s during the daytime hours and the 20s on Sunday night. So I've got at least a 40% chance of showers left in the forecast on Wednesday with a high temperature, probably 70 to maybe low 70s, about 73 on Thursday with showers and thunderstorms, then somewhat cooler Friday with more scattered showers, and then colder on Saturday with a high of 53 with maybe a leftover shower or two, and then only 45 on that would be Valentine's Day, and maybe the 20s on Valentine's night. So, yeah, pretty warm Wednesday and Thursday, then progressively cooler Friday and Saturday, and then colder over the upcoming weekend, Saturday night into Sunday, and then kind of chilly for the rest of that week.
So it will be wet at times today, still at this hour here, which is 3:35 a.m. It's still raining out here. But enjoy the warming trend, and hopefully we won't have to deal with too much of that cold air over the upcoming weekend. I'll keep you up to date. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We'll be live on TV on Channel 8, Channel 32 this morning. Their morning program is Alabama Rising. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. when it will be fairly mild out here again. I mean, this morning we're in the 50s. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. All right, have a nice day today. I'll see you later.